Hello friends, how are you all? In this video we are going to tell about 10 superfoods that are very useful for kidney, and please subscribe my channel. Let's start the video. 10 superfoods to prevent kidney stones. Sure, here are 10 superfoods that may help prevent kidney stones. Watermelon. High water content helps maintain hydration and flush out toxins. Lemon. Its citric acid can inhibit stone formation and increase urinary citrate levels. Kale. Rich in calcium, which may bind with oxalates to prevent stone formation. Broccoli. Contains calcium and magnesium, which may reduce the risk of stones. Pomegranate. Its antioxidants may prevent the formation of certain types of stones. Berries. Blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are rich in antioxidants and low in oxalates. Celery. Contains antioxidants and may help reduce acidity in the urine. Cucumber. High water content aids in maintaining urine flow and preventing stone formation. Kidney beans. Surprisingly, these beans resemble the shape of kidneys and are a good source of magnesium and fiber. Whole grains. Foods like brown rice, oats, and quinoa provide essential nutrients without contributing to stone formation. Remember to always consume